G'day guys and girls, and it's John Michaelis here from myexcelonline.com, and we are going to go through the 333 Excel keyboard shortcuts. You are going to learn the must-know keyboard shortcuts that are out there within Microsoft Excel, and knowing just 5 of these Excel shortcuts, you are going to save time each and every day when working with Excel. We're going to go through the following keyboard shortcuts. We're going to go through cell formatting, drag and drop, making selections, the function key, cell navigation shortcuts, the ribbon tab shortcuts. Also, we're going to go through the various shortcuts that you can use when working with formulas, macros and VBA, pivot tables, Power BI, and Power Pivot. Now, in the description area below, you can click on the link to download our free PDF cheat sheet, which lists all the 333 Excel keyboard shortcuts for Windows and for Mac. Print it off and keep it on your desk so you can view it whenever you like. And as I said before, you only need to know 5 keyboard shortcuts. If you master only 5 keyboard shortcuts and you apply them every day, then you are going to save hours each and every month from using Excel. Those hours you can get back by going home early for once and spending time with your family. So let's get straight into it.